students, this is Anuradha from Career Platform. Now let's move to the exercise 1.2. This is totally based on the word problem. Okay, so let's see the question number 1. What is the question number 1? A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively. On the first day, so I am writing here the solution. Number of tickets sold on the first day is 1094. Number of tickets sold on the second day is equal to 1812. Number of tickets sold on the third day, what it is? It is 2050. Then number of tickets sold on the fourth day is equal to 2751, right? So we have to add all the 4 number of tickets. Okay, what we have to find? Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So total number of tickets is equal to 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. Okay, so we adding 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So here 7, then 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 5 is 20. So I am getting 2 as a balance. Then 2 plus 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, then 10 plus 7 is 17. So here comes 7 and 1 is carry. Okay, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So I am getting 7707. You have to put comma here. Okay, so this is the answer of the question number 1 and that is the solution, right? Sorry if you have not visible here, may not be visible. So answer is 7707. Okay, so you have to put comma here, right? Now let's see question number 2. What is the question number 2? Shekhar is a famous cricket player. Okay, he has so far scored. Score of Shekhar is, what is given? 6980 runs, right? Then in test matches he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Shekhar wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Okay, so if we subtract from this number to this number, we will get how many more runs, right? So he need 10,000 minus 6980. Okay, so 0 and 8, 9, 10, 2, here is 0, here 3. Okay, so 3020 runs. So answer will be, answer is this one, 3020 runs. 3020 more runs, he need 3020 more runs. Okay, this is the question number 2. Now student, next question is question number 3. Okay, what is the question? In an election, the successful candidate registered. So here I am writing the solution. number of votes of successful candidate who has won the election. Okay, that is the successful candidate. What is the number? I am writing here 5,77,500. You have to put comma here, okay, in every number. Then what is the question? And his nearest rival secured 3,48,700. Number of votes of nearest rival secured is equal to who has nearest to the successful candidate who had win the election. Okay, that is number of votes is 3,48,700 votes. So what we have to calculate, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So we have to calculate the margin of successful candidate and rival secured. Okay, so we have to subtract both. Margin is equal to 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Okay, so here 0 0, here is 15, 15 minus 7 is 8, here 8, 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3, comma, my 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is the answer, 2,30,800 votes. Okay, so this is the solution for this question number 3, and it may be not visible to you. I am writing here 2,30,800 votes. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, now student, let's see question number 4 of exercise 1.2. Alright. What is the question? Kirti bookstore sold books rupees 2,85,891 in the first week. So number of books, here I am writing the solution. Number of books sold in first week is equal to rupees, here like this we have to write rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. Okay, and books worth rupees 4,07,768 in the second week. So number of books sold in second week of June is equal to rupees 4,07,768 in the second week of month. Okay, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Here together means we have to add. So total sale is equal to rupees 2,85,891 plus rupees 4,07,768. 8 plus 1 is 9, and here 9 plus 6 is 15. 8 7 15 and plus 1 is 16. 5 plus 1 is 6. Here 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So rupees 6,86,659 is the total sale. Okay, then I am writing here how much was the sale for the, so this is the total sale. Then in which week was the sale greater? So here you can compare in the first week and second week. So which is greater? That is 4 lakh will be greater. Okay. So in second week, the sale was greater, and by how much? So for finding how much, we have to difference between the two sales. Okay. So the difference will be rupees 4,768 minus rupees 2,85,891. Okay. So we have to subtract it. 8 minus 1 is 7. Here is 16. 9, 10, 11, 12. 16 minus 9 will be 7 here. Then 7 will be 6, 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then here 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Rupees. So the answer will be, in second week the sale was greater by rupees 1,14,877. Okay. So this is the solution for the question number 4. Now let's see question number 5 of exercise 1.2. What is the question? Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. We don't have to repeat this digits. Okay. We have to make greatest and least number. Least number means the smallest number from these digits. Then we have to make the difference between them, right? So here is the solution. You can see here what is given. Given digits is 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, right? And the greatest number will be, greatest number is, largest number is 7, then 6, then 4, then 3, then 2. This is the greatest number. Then the least number will be 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. We have to make difference. The difference is 76,432 and 23,467. So here 12 minus 7 is 5. Then 3, 2, 2 at 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 4, 3. It makes 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Then here is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. 7 minus 2 is 5. Right? Here I am putting comma. So this will be your answer. 52,965 will be the answer of the question number 5. Okay. This is the last question for this video. That is question number 6. What is the question? A machine on an average manufactures 2825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So number of screws. Here I am writing the solution. Number of screws manufactured in a day is equal to 2825. Okay, so in the month of January, how much day in the month of January? It is 31. Okay. So the number of screws manufactured in the month of January will be there are 31 days in the month of January, so we have to multiply with 31 of this number to this number. Okay, so you can calculate directly, you can multiply, or you can use distributive property. You can expand this 31 as 30 plus 1. So 2825 into 30 plus 2825 into 1. So I am writing here. Okay, here 0, 3 5 is a 15, 1 is carry on, 3 2 is a 6, plus 1 is 7, 3 8 is a 24, 2 is carry, 3 2 is a 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus here with multiply with 1 is same number, 2000 2825. We have to add both. So I am getting 5 5 6 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, 4 plus 3 is 7, and this one is 8. Okay, so I am marking here as a comma. So this is the number of screws, 87,575 in the month of January. This much screws are manufactured. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay students, I hope you cleared all this concept up till here. That is question number 6 of exercise 1.2. Okay, in the next video I will come with from question number 7 to question number 12. Okay, so please like, share and comment and subscribe this channel. Till then, bye bye and take care.